In this lesson, you'll learn how to add a roof to a house in InteriorBox 3D. We'll cover both automatic and manual modes. Let's first see how to create a roof automatically. Open your plan and click the Add Roof button. A window will open, allowing you to choose the roof type. In this example, we will create a gable roof. Select it and click Next. The program will prompt you to configure the roof settings. Select an attic type from non-residential, residential, or no attic at all. Now adjust the roof ridge height and base height if needed. Then select the roof material. You can choose a material from an expansive catalog or upload your own texture by clicking the Add Own Materials button. Hit Apply once you've chosen the needed tile and click the Add Roof button. Now let's see how to edit the roof properties. First, go to the Properties tab. Adjust the roof overhangs, front and side, and set the desired thickness. Switch to 3D view mode to evaluate the result. Pick the material for the roof covering, then adjust the texture scale if needed. Go to the Design tab to change the appearance of fascia, soffit, and ceiling. Next, we'll see how to edit roof geometry. You can move existing ridges or juncture points manually, or by entering precise measurements in the Properties tab. If necessary, you can view the roof and the attic separately from the rest of the house through the Levels tab. Here are some roof designs that you can create with InteriorBox 3D. Let's create a roof from scratch. If you have a specific roof shape in mind, start with creating a flat roof. Next, click the Add Ridge button. Draw a line on the plan and adjust its position. Here's how it looks. Now, click Add a Roof Point and place the juncture point on the plan. And that's it. Your custom roof is complete. Visit the official website to learn more about the features of InteriorBox 3D.